Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the top 10 ways to make income in India in 2023. From starting an online store with Shopify and dropshipping to becoming an Instagram influencer or selling online courses, there are many ways to generate income in India. We'll also be discussing other methods in this video. So sit back and enjoy the video as we explore these exciting opportunities. Number 1, Shopify and dropshipping. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to start selling online and earn money. It provides you with all the necessary tools to start your business from scratch. Dropshipping refers to a retail business where a store is not required to keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, it acts as the storefront to sell a product, which then gets directly shipped to the customer when an order is placed from the supplier/manufacturer. As a result, you as the seller don't have to handle the product directly or have to store inventory in warehouses. Dropshipping in India is a cost-effective way to start an online store or an e-commerce business. It allows you to sell products online without having to worry about carrying, storing and maintaining inventory of products. It also removes the need to take care of shipping and order fulfillment. With Shopify, you can easily set up a storefront and then install a dropshipping app on your store. This makes starting an online store in India a low-risk business model. Number 2, blogging. Blogging is a great profession where you'll be paid for writing about what you love. There are many people in India who are making a full-time living blogging. Blogging in India is growing at a rapid pace and is finally being considered a mainstream career. Many young Indians are now looking at blogging as a business, and some even earn income which surpasses the annual income of executive-level employees. To start a blog, you need to choose a topic or subject that appeals to you and that you're interested in writing about. This is known as your niche. Once you have chosen your niche, you can pick a name for your blog and set it up on a blogging platform. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you can earn money by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale. Affiliate marketing is booming in India. Bloggers, vloggers and online entrepreneurs are using different platforms to make money online with affiliate marketing. You can make a lot of money as a primary business or as a side hustle by simply promoting other brands' products and deals. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to join an affiliate program and promote their products through an affiliate network. When a consumer buys a product marketed by you or an affiliate, you will get a commission for that particular product. Number 4, freelancing. Freelancing refers to offering your services to clients for a short period and getting paid for them. If you have a primary skill such as writing, designing websites, digital marketing, or graphic designing, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Freelancing in India is growing fast and becoming a new job prospect for people. Many individuals are choosing to work according to their preference, like where they want, when they want, and the work of their choice. To get started with freelancing, you can join a freelancing platform and offer your services to clients. There are many freelancing platforms available such as Upwork, Freelancer.com, Fiverr, People Per Hour and Guru. Number 5, Instagram influencer. An Instagram influencer is someone who has a large following on Instagram and can influence their followers' behavior through their posts and stories. Influencer marketing has been on the rise over the last few years, and shows no signs of slowing down in India. Instagram influencers are to influencer marketing what EEN is to young. So any conversation about it is incomplete without a reference to Instagram influencers. To become an Instagram influencer, you need to have a large following on Instagram and post content that resonates with your followers. You can then collaborate with brands to promote their products or services to your followers. Number 6, starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a great way to share your passion and creativity with others. If you are passionate about entertaining or educating others, you could consider starting a YouTube channel. To start a YouTube channel, you need to have a Google account and sign into YouTube. Once you have signed in, you can create a new channel by clicking on your profile picture and selecting Create a Channel. You can then choose to create a personal channel or a channel with a business or other name. If you choose to create a personal channel, you'll be asked to confirm your Google account name and photo. If you choose to create a channel with a business or other name, you'll need to fill out the details to name your new channel. Once your channel is created, you can start uploading videos and sharing them with others. Number 7. Selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell online courses. There are two ways you can earn money by selling courses online in India. First is by creating your website and marketing it. The second is to teach on other platforms like Udemy. To sell courses online, you need to create quality content that has high value and offers enriching knowledge. This will help differentiate your course from your competitors. Once you have created your course, you can market it through your website or social media channels. You can also use platforms like Udemy to reach a wider audience. Number 8. A virtual assistant is someone who offers administrative or technical support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. Virtual assistants can help with tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, making travel arrangements, and managing social media accounts. They can also help with more specialized tasks such as bookkeeping, data entry, and research. There are many virtual assistant companies in India that can connect you with support for anything from managing your schedule to organizing your emails. Some of these companies include Hubstaff Talent, Get Friday, Brickwork India, Accelerate Technologies, and Assisto. Number 9. Share market investment. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to generate passive income. There are many good dividend-yielding stocks in the stock market, along with high-cap companies with a good trading history. To invest in the stock market in India, you need to first approach a SEBI-registered member or broker of a stock exchange. You then need to register as an investor before you can begin investing. Once you have registered as an investor, you can start buying and selling stocks through your broker. It's important to do your research and choose stocks that have a good track record and are likely to provide steady returns. Number 10. Investing in REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are companies that own and operate income-generating real estate properties. By investing in REITs, you can earn a share of the income generated by these properties without having to own or manage them directly. In India, there are currently 3 listed REITs: Embassy Business Park REIT, Mindspace Business Parks REIT and Brookfield India REIT. You can invest in these REITs through stock market purchases or through mutual funds. Before investing in REITs, it's important to compare and analyze their performance across various parameters such as occupancy, asset portfolio, geographical and sectoral diversification, releasing spread, and rolling renewals. There are many ways to make income in India in 2023. From starting an online store with Shopify and dropshipping to becoming an Instagram influencer or selling online courses, the possibilities are endless. With consistent effort and hard work, anyone can generate a considerable income through these methods. So go ahead and explore these options and find the one that works best for you. Hope this video was useful. Please subscribe our channel for more valuable videos. Thank you.